Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. On today's video, I'm going to be smoking a delicious stuffed pork loin. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm starting with a 9-pound boneless pork loin, and I paid $15 for this pork loin. It was $2.29 a pound, but Costco was offering a $5 off deal, so I ended up picking this up for 15 bucks. That is extremely cheap for 9 pounds of pork. Alright, so I'm just going to take this pork loin out of the package here. Alright, so I'm just going to dry up the surface. Makes it a lot easier to trim. We've got a little bit of fat to trim, not a ton, just a little bit. Alright, so on this side of the pork loin, I'm going to take off some of this fat. On this other side, it actually looks pretty good. Now, underneath this fat, there is a membrane of silver skin that can be a little tough. And I like to take most of that off. So I'm just going to take most of this fat off, if not all of it. Let me show you guys how easy it is to remove this fat cap. I like to go right under that silver skin. Try to stay right under it. Just like that. Pass your knife through the other side. From this point, just go to one side of the loin. Try to stay right underneath that silver skin. Then you're going to lift this flap and go the other way. Just like that. Alright, so I've got most of the silver skin and fat trimmed off. Now this is a very long pork loin, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half or close to it. And I'm going to smoke two separate pieces right here. Alright, so in order to stuff this pork loin, what we've got to do is cut this open and kind of butterfly it and lay it flat. So I like to come over the top just like this, make your first incision, just like that, and almost like filleting a fish, you want to come and stay right on that surface, just like this, and keep lifting it. Try not to poke through the other side, and if you do, that's okay. Just try to avoid it. Really simple. And I can feel on this side that I'm really close to that surface. So at this point, right here, I'm going to go down that loin. Alright, so now we're down the side of the pork loin right here. So next, we fillet it again, right down the middle. And just lift up. Really simple process. Take your time. No rush. And there you go, butterflied pork loin. Alright, so I've got the pork loin butterflied and laying nice and flat. Now it's time to season this pork loin. I'm going to be using this Notorious PIG from PS Seasoning. This is my all-time favorite pork seasoning. So ribs, pork loin, pork chops, you name it. It's absolutely amazing. So add a nice layer. And I'm going to season up both sides. Look at that red pepper flake. It's got just the right amount of heat. All right, pat that in. Season the other side. I gotta tell you, if you have not tried this Notorious PIG, check them out at the link below and get yourself a nice discount. It smells absolutely amazing. Now on this next step, you can stuff the pork loin with whatever you want. You can put some feta cheese, maybe some spinach. I'm gonna go with some green chili, because it's fresh in my area right now. I'm fortunate that I only live about an hour and a half from Hatch, New Mexico. So this is fresh green chili, and add enough of it. This is a coarsely chopped green chili, and this is a medium spice level. so nothing too crazy. Next, I've got some mozzarella cheese. Now, a lot of this cheese will squeeze out of the pork loin, okay? So add enough of it. There we go, that's perfect. Press it down just a little bit because we need to roll this bad boy up. And now we're gonna roll it in the opposite direction that we butterflied it. Now when you're rolling it, push it really nice and tight. Almost like when you're rolling up a sleeping bag, okay? Really nice and tight. And don't worry if some of it spills over. That's perfectly fine. There we go, just like that. So I'm gonna move the pork loin aside here. I've got some butcher's twine that I'm gonna lay out. I've got about 5 pieces. All right, now I'm gonna pick up the pork loin and lay it on top of our butcher's twine. Just like that. All right, so now we're just gonna truss this bad boy up. Simple knots. Nice and tight. Just like that. And one more. And there you have it. Stuffed pork loin. I'm gonna get the other one stuffed and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so I've got both pork loins stuffed and trussed up, ready for the smoker. Let's head outside. All right, so I've got my Lone Star Grill's pellet smoker set at 255 degrees. And on this cook, I'm gonna be using these smoking pecan pellets. These pellets are made with 100% pecan shell, no wood, no fillers, no additives, no nothing. 100% pecan shell. The amount of smoke that these pellets give off is unbelievable, and the flavor that it leaves on the food is absolutely delicious. Check them out at the link below. All right, let's load up our pork loin. Look at these beauties right here. Now I did place the pork loin on this rack right here just to make it easy to transfer in and out of my smoker. So these are gonna be smoking on the top rack. Now one thing I am gonna do is add a little bit more seasoning on the top of our pork loin. So I'm just gonna slide the rack out just a bit. We're gonna add some more of this notorious PIG rub. So I've got one of my meat probes connected to my fireboard controller. And I'm gonna be placing this probe right in the middle of this pork loin right here. All right, I'm gonna close the door to the smoker. We'll check back in 1 hour. Stay tuned. All right, so it's been 1 hour and 15 minutes since we loaded our pork loin. Let's take a look at it. Oh my goodness, look at that. All right, so that pork loin is starting to take on a really nice color, as you can see right there. Got that cheese and that green chili starting to ooze out. That is absolutely beautiful. So the internal temperature of the pork loin right now is at 104 degrees. We've got a little bit more to go. I'll bring you guys back in a bit. Stay tuned. All right, so we're at the 2.5 hour mark. Let's take a look at our pork loin. We probably got cheese oozing out of that loin. Oh my goodness. Check out this beautiful color, guys. Does that look beautiful or what? I'm gonna rotate this rack here. Oh my goodness. Isn't that a beautiful sight right there? The smoke coming up over that pork loin. Man, this is gonna be good. We're sitting at about 135 degrees internal. We're looking for 145. I'll see you guys inside. Stay tuned. All right, so the pork loin is ready and the total cook time is 3 hours, and I have had it resting for about 10 minutes, tented in foil, and I cannot wait to slice into this bad boy. It smells absolutely amazing. Let's remove this butcher's twine. Now, one of the questions that I get pretty frequently is what knives do I use? Well, I use Dalstrong, so if you guys are interested in purchasing them, check out the links below and get yourself a nice discount. Also, these shears, these kitchen shears, are from Dalstrong. All right, let's slice into this bad boy right here, and I gotta tell you, it smells absolutely amazing in here. Let's get that money shot right down the center here. Oh yeah, look at that. Green chili and cheese. It's nice and melty. Oh my goodness. Let's get a nice thick cut right here. Oh yeah, that is perfect. You can definitely smell that green chili and that cheese. Check that out, it's nice and juicy. Oh yeah, let's give this a try. All right guys, check that out. Does that look amazing or what? That pork loin's nice and juicy, smells absolutely amazing in here. I'm just gonna bite right into this. Who needs a knife and a fork when you got teeth, right? Here we go. Man, that is delicious. Man, this pork loin's got a really good smoky flavor. The green chili has just the right amount of spice, and that creamy mozzarella with the seasoning. This is amazing. Now I've smoked a lot of pork loins before, but this one right here is by far my favorite. I'm a big fan of green chili and cheese. This is a home run. If you guys have never smoked a stuffed pork loin, what are you waiting for? You've got to give this a try. I hope you guys enjoyed my pork loin video. If this is your first time to my channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit BBQ. See ya.